In this video, we will show you how to use our Garmin Golf app for historical shots. Let's get started. Modify shot information. You can add shot locations that were not recorded in the score. This is useful when the auto shot function doesn't detect the swing during the shot. Tap the plus icon. Tap on the golf course map to add the shot location. The tapped location will be added as a shot location. Edit detailed shot information. Here, you can specify the lie type, the club used, and the final result. After editing, tap Done at the top right. Edit swing position. If there is an error in recording the swing position, you can modify it as follows. Select the shot you want to edit. Select the pencil icon next to the swing position to edit. On the course map, press and hold to choose where you want to swing. After picking the spot, you can drag to tweak the position a bit. After editing, tap Done at the top right. Modify shot list. You can view the swing information list from the tee shot to out of bounds. You can also edit or delete the order of swings. To edit the order of swings, tap the list icon at the top right. Tap Edit on the swing list. Hold and drag the three-line icon to reorder it to the desired position. You will see the swing path change accordingly. Tap Done. Delete swing information. Tap the list icon at the top right. Tap Edit on the swing list. Tap the delete icon next to the swing you want to remove. Tap Done. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.